I remember I had my mother on hospice, and I was having a really challenging time taking care of her. And I called my hospice social worker and I said, Diane, I need to talk. She came over and we went in my bedroom. And I sat on the bed and I looked her in the eye and I said, I don't think I love my mother. And I'm crying. And she looked at me and she said, Barbara, love is a verb. You are loving your mother with all that you are doing for her. Those pearls of wisdom are what you can get from your hospice social worker. They become your touchstone, your guide to the emotional anguish that we all carry when we're taking care of someone we love that we know is going to die. Social workers in hospice are a vital, vital part, and they're underused. Reach out. That one visit, that opens the door. You just need to know they are there to guide, support, and love you through this experience.